do a midnight blue makeup tutorial with me. Yes, I'm gonna be doing a midnight blue splash navy blue makeup look because all the color reminds me of that I just wanted to stay out all night till maybe after midnight, let's say approximately 1 in the morning. But if I do that, I get more tired and I lose 8 hours of sleep. But I only do that in the days I do not have classes. I'm trying to figure out which colors of the palettes I want to use to transform into the midnight blue. Because the last time, it doesn't seem like it's like a dark blue color, but I just wanted to test it out again. Except the ones for my 18th birthday, I only did black and blue, but it's not like fully midnight blue, but I just wanted to test it out. But at least I tried my best though. I'm also gonna tell you what, I am going to take photos of me wearing all midnight blue because I wanted to post that online so badly. Oh, by the way, I haven't posted any of my videos on Instagram for a while and I wanted to get back to it because I post more photos than reels. By the way, I have a spam account on my Instagram, not only my main account, which is Nicole Sensio Official, but I also have a main account, a spam account, excuse me. I have a spam account, so if you want to go check out my spam account, I can post content on there as well. So if you want to go check it out, I'll put the link in the bio description and go check it out. Fun fact is I kept posting more of the makeup tutorial videos in 2026, so I'm gonna do more. And not only on my fashion and beauty makeup channel, but I'm trying to find some ideas to post more videos on my main YouTube channel where I post my vlogs and my music. Alright, so if you have ideas, let me know in the comments. If not, that's fine. I can post whatever content I want, as long as I'm following YouTube's community guidelines. I'm gonna go with this palette first, and I'm gonna go with this navy blue color right here. I haven't used this palette for a while. I just want to test it out, the midnight blue look. Alright, let's just put eyeshadow on a lower lash line because I just want my makeup to slay for the midnight blue look. I might take at least 8 to 10 photos because it's like a winter themed look, the winter theme era. I love winter, don't get me wrong. But the only thing I don't like about winter is the snowstorm. How about we go with this palette, but I'm gonna have to put a little bit of this blue color. Not sure what to call it, but this is like almost like a electric blue color, which reminds me of the 2017 Hyundai Elantra, which I saw that on a commercial, which is actually cool though. All right, let's slowly press it down here, because I just want to show the navy blue itself right here. There you go. At least I'm doing my best of my ability, as always. I just don't want this color to mess up. What if I wanted to show it to you all? Alright, let's put this color on the lower lash line. Yes, I'm using a little bit because I just wanted to show the navy blue, not just that kind of the blue, whatever that color it is. Anyways, I'm gonna go with one more palette. I'm gonna go with this dark blue right here. Oh, if you're wondering, I have this palette for almost 1.5 years, which is cool though. I got this for my prom present, as a present. By the way, my mom bought it for me, or I actually bought it myself, so let's go with this color, this dark blue color. I might have to do a little bit because, again, I don't want to mess up the navy blue. Oh my god, I'm gonna look slaying, and I'm gonna look glamorous in navy blue, aka midnight blue, more like I'm doing a midnight blue look, but still, because I like this color, I'm putting like all these dark blue eyeshadow colors. I'm gonna look great. Alright, and if you want me to post photos as well, I could do that too, just for a fit check. Yes, I want to, because I love the color dark blue, midnight blue, navy blue, however you want to call it. Alright, now we just put the lower lash line on this eyeshadow, this blue color. Yes, gonna look slay. I'm excited because I love the color dark blue. Alright, I was just gonna put on eyeliner because I definitely want to. Because I just wanted to look slay for this. Because we're in the middle of February, of course. Because why not? I wanted to do that. Now to the waterline with this, using this brown eyeliner right here. Yes, because I always, Mom, can you just shut up? Because I'm trying to film here. Like, oh my god, you're being so loud. Sorry, my dad asked. Mom was trying to be loud, or I don't think she's disrupting me, but I don't know. She's talking to my dad, but all of a sudden, I don't know, she's trying to antagonize me while I'm trying to film. But that doesn't mean she's being disrespectful to me. I didn't say that, but I'm talking to you guys, but then Mom's talking over me in the background, so kindly ignore that. Sorry I got this on video, just ignore it. If you want to skip that part, yeah, go ahead, I don't care. Okay, now on to mascara. I'm thinking about either to go buy a new mascara or borrow my mom's mascara. But I gotta ask her if I wanna borrow one of mom's mascaras until we get more mascaras, till we get more, as I definitely want to get mascaras to make my lashes go darker. Every time I put on my makeup and I just wanted my lashes to be darker, is I think it's better if you put on mascara if you want your lashes to go darker. Yep, just like that. Okay. Not too bad because I love putting on mascara because I always do that. Alright, I'll do the lashes and I'll come back. Okay, so I put on the lashes. I'm gonna go with this dark pink Frost lipstick. Okay, final touches. I'm gonna go with this rosy mauve lip gloss. And I'll be all done. Alright, y'all, keep watching for the hair and outfit transformation. Okay, guys, this is the final look. Hope you guys liked it. This is all navy blue. By the way, I'm borrowing my sister's sweater with sweatpants, and I'll show you this. But check. Yep, this is my sister's outfit, but I borrow hers because I love the color navy blue. Yep, and this is the navy blue sweatpants with the sweater. Looks cute, right? Especially the hairstyle, I love it. Alright, this is the final makeup look, final hair look, and outfit, of course. Fit check. Alright guys, so have a great week, have a good weekend. Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Love you all and have a great weekend. Bye!